have coffee, we'll travel. But the problem is, coffee tastes better when it doesn't spill. Traveling with coffee has its challenges. Most people try to prop it in the front pocket or hold it between their knees, only for the cup to get crushed, spilling everywhere. Introducing the Coffee Carry-On. Finally, a secure place to put your coffee on your next flight. Just pop it open and secure the 2 tabs into the pocket of the seat in front of you. The thermal cup sleeve is built right in and accommodates all standard size to-go cups, perfect for hot or cold beverages. The Coffee Carry-On collapses flat so it can be easily stored to reuse again, or since it's made of 100% recyclable, all-natural material, you can toss it guilt-free. The patented design accounts for the tilt back of an airplane seat, so your drink stays upright and can slide into any pocket, leather, cloth, or plastic, including modern airlines that use thinner materials and flimsier tray tables. Fits great in the pocket of your luggage while waiting in the terminal, holding your drink even when using the restroom. Keep a few in your car. Your passengers will love the ability to use the glove compartment, and the extra cup holders work perfect in the back seat, too. This clever cup holder is the perfect product for custom logos and branding. This is the must-have travel companion for every coffee lover. The Coffee Carry-On, now available for licensing. Go to coffeecarryon.com to order yours today.